Hey, this will be a video chart on VLNX. We're looking at the 15-minute chart here, and what a disaster after yesterday's trading action. If you follow my videos, you know I did this one yesterday and just talked about some things to look for. And the good thing was, if you did watch the video and followed, you know what I had talked about. Hopefully, you saved or you made money in the sense of you saved it from becoming even a bigger loss than what it was. If you go back and watch the video, I'm just going to touch on it quickly here, but I talked about how this level was pretty important. If the price did drop below it, then I figured there'd be somewhat of a significant move downwards. But I'll be the first to admit I would not have thought it would have dropped. I wasn't thinking it even hit 15 cents, so let alone 5 cents or 4 cents. So I did mention that I figured a drop would happen if it fell below this key level of support. But never did I ever, think it would be closing down here below a nickel. So just a crazy, nasty move down. I've gotten some questions on it now in terms of what do I think about the chart. So this video is just going to be real quick, going to map out a little pattern that I see, but just me putting it out there. I do not plan on putting or playing this at all. Just way too risky, and who knows, it could bounce right back up to 40 cents, but just too risky. I don't want to put money in and then have it get halted or suspended or something like that. So for me, there's plenty of other plays out there rather than to kind of just basically gamble on this one if you hop back in. But for the people that are in it and curious about the chart, the pattern that I do see, and remember this is the 15-minute chart, but there is a falling wedge here that has formed now on the 15-minute chart. And if you watch my videos or whatever, this is one of my more favorite, or not more, excuse me, it is my favorite pattern out there. And a falling wedge right there. So that's what I would be watching if I were to play it with a break of there. It could get a nice little move. The first level of resistance on any sort of break that I'd be curious to see how it would react around is that 15-cent mark. And then from there, if it did happen to bounce and explode upwards, I'm sure I'd be back to update the chart and stuff like that. But that's what I'd be looking at for the chart right now. So like I said, very basic. I won't be playing it. I'll watch it just for fun, but there's no way I'm going to put any more money in this thing. Just too risky. But keep an eye on that falling wedge if you've got a few extra dollars that you're willing to kind of just see what happens with. But that's what I would be watching from the technical perspective. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know how you plan on playing this chart next week. One more time, this was VLNX. Thanks for listening.